Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kriti and my blog's name is The She Things. So Holi is just around the corner and I love this festival more so because it's just so happy and colorful and peppy. The weather is perfect, it's springtime, especially in Delhi. You play a lot of Holi with colors and it can be absolutely disastrous for your skin and hair. So I thought I would share some tips that I have learned and used over the years that have definitely saved my skin and kind of saved my hair. So number one, before you go out to play or let anybody put even the slightest bit of color on you, whether it's the powder kind or the liquid kind, make sure you've slathered yourself in oil. Like literally just jump in a bucket of oil if you can. You need to cover all of your skin wherever the color will touch you with a nice oil. And same for your hair. You need to cover your hair from scalp to tips with oil. And if you have really long hair, then just try to tie it up in a bun or at least braid it so that it catches the minimum amount of color. You can use any oil you want, from olive oil to coconut oil, or if you want to go really heavy, then I know some of my friends actually use mustard oil on their skin. I personally cannot put that heavy an oil on my skin, but if you can, then go ahead with it. Recently I found two oils that really work very well for me, and they're both from Kama Ayurveda. 100% natural stuff, so at least that is not going to harm your skin. Two oils that I use currently are these ones. These are the sample sizes, the deluxe samples that you can get in any of their shops. The oil that I use, I don't know why my camera is not focusing, but the first oil that I use on my body, this is called Sugandhi. You can just literally slather all of it on your body, including your face, and this is not going to cause you any pimples or anything like that. It will not clog your pores. And the second oil that I use for my hair is this one, which is absolutely no surprise to anybody who's watched my videos before. I love this oil. I've been using this one on my hair for last, I think, about 7 or 8 years. This is called Brigandi oil. It's one of their best sellers for hair, and I just love to apply this on my hair any which ways. So before Holi, I make sure I put this on. So this is all the preparation that you need before you go and completely jump into that pool of color. Number two is for your post-Holi hair and skincare. Frankly, if you've used the Brigandi oil on your hair, then all you need to do is just use any shampoo that you like. Most of the color should just come off. For your skin, I have an absolutely amazing scrub mask which will take off most of the color that you have on your skin, even if it's one of those Pakka Rang and all. This is absolutely natural. You can just make it very quickly in your house. So when you come back after playing Holi, just go into the washroom, try and wash out whatever color you can with warm water. Dry yourself, come out and just use this Upton mask all over your body wherever the color is. You can use this Upton for up to a week if you have to, almost every single day. It is not going to cause you any harm whatsoever. In fact, it's quite helpful in removing tanning as well. All you need to make this mask are just 3 things which are regularly found in your kitchen. First ingredient that you need is a couple of tablespoons of besan or gram flour, as they say. Second ingredient is yogurt. And the third one is some lemon juice. Amount of these things that you need can completely vary from how much you need to make. If I use it just for my face and neck, then I need about 1 tablespoon of gram flour and 1 tablespoon of yogurt and maybe just a teaspoon of lemon juice. So you can adjust the quantity in case if you want to make this mask for your entire body, then you need to multiply it by at least 5, right? Now mix all of these ingredients in a big bowl and just mask away. Apply it like any other regular mask that you would. Leave it on to dry just for a few minutes till the time it becomes tacky, and then start scrubbing in circular motions. going to see layers of color just peel off of your body and face. So I hope you liked this video and found these tips helpful. If you do try them, then please let me know your experience. Have a wonderful, wonderful Holi. Make sure you play safe. Please do not force anybody to play Holi with you. There are some of us who don't like to play with colors. For whatever reason, some of us don't like to play with colors. Some of us might have some sort of medical condition, especially, asthma patients. It's very tough for them to deal with all this gulal and all. And please don't hit anybody with these water balloons. It's quite ridiculous. They really, really hurt very badly. Have fun, eat lots, meet up with friends and family. Just have a good time in general. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.